Hey, welcome back to Hostboxcse channel. Back the tutorial for Python. Today I am going to show the interesting project called how to create the Lord Ganesha and you can say about God Ganesha Chaturthi. For that one, we have a lot of functions there. As of you know, turtle is one of the important one where you can create and draw the images comfortably. So before going this one, I'm going to give the titles card. We had now some of the functions we have to use here. So if you want to draw shape of the god, as of now we have a you need head, trunk, and also hairs, eyebrows, and so on and so on. So and also we can make animated with a speed of 5 6 and so on, anything. So here I'm going to use turtle.pg color of black, that is for give the color to the background, and tu.pen size of 5, that is for give the size of the pen, size to the pen, and turn tu.left of 60, that is for move the turtle in the left direction. Similarly, another one called tu.ft is used to move the turtle in the forward direction. So for left you can use the tu.left, and tu.ft for forward direction, and circle tu.circle for draw the circle with the help of circle function, and right direction is used to move the turtle in the right towards the right direction. So as of you know, if you know the fundamentals of turtle, we can understand easily this one. And here we are using the red color, that is to give the color to the pen for drawing the shape. So once the diagram it will display here, I'll show the output also. Then tu.pen up is there, it is used to stop the drawing. So do you want to stop the drawing after completion of God Ganesha and say happy Ganesh Chaturthi, like that, we can use the function called tu.pen up. Then again you are using your tu.ft for used to move the turtle in the forward direction, and one more is called tu.pen down, that is for start drawing the shape, and circle also using repeatedly. Then you can use tu.color of silver, that is for give the silver color to the pen, and you can change it. So as of you know these are the functions block of code repeated here. So once you give here, you can go for then create eyebrows. So if you want to draw the eyebrows, what you can do, so eyes and eyebrows also can use. Sir, head you can use like this, and block of code so simple and easy. And so eyes you can give like this, tu.pen up of, so start the pen up of for start the pen, start to draw, and when I give another option it will stop it. So you can give the size, what are the sizes you want. And similarly you can go for eyebrow, so you can eyebrow can use pen up of. So once the diagram start the head and start the eyes, and as then start the eyebrows with coloring of what I have given here, and ears also. So ears is important, so for that one can give this block of code. And similarly you can go for 10.pen up of, again start go to 0, and I'm giving forward direction of 140 and backward direction of 20, and circle of 80, 20 size I'm giving. If you want you can change the runtime, and again I'm giving like this. So keep on giving the block of code, because and I want to draw the trunk. So if you want to draw the trunk of the God Ganesha, you can give pen up to start the pen up for stop the drawing, and tu.left off. When I go tu.left off 130, it will use it to move the turtle in the left direction. And similarly you can give tu.pen size of 10 is used to give the size of the turtle here. So simple and see. So the way how to generate create the head, and next you can go for, just now I told you about the trump, and at last you can go for write the code called tu.right of happy Ganesh Chaturthi, and we can give the font size, font is called Arial size, and so on. And you can give tu.color of orange, and go to you can give, and give again the directions, fill the color with orange whatever you want. At last you can stop with the tu.pen up off, and go to again continue here, orange begin fill, and color I'm giving orange. If you want you can change. Similarly write the block of code. So remember, if you want to draw the shape of the Ganesh god, you have to know these functions. Okay, that is called important in this case. pen to up of left off, and we can give to pen size of, when I use to pen size of, can give 2, and circle, and to right of 50. Again repeating, if you are well and good in turtle, you can understand and generate, create the God Ganesha image with saying Happy Ganeshchathurthi. So at last you can complete the done code. So this is the simple way how to generate or create God Ganesh image with the help of turtle and display the image. Let's go for execution. So as of now, it take few seconds to display the image God Ganesh. So as of now, God Ganesh is one of the powerful Hindu's god. Just display the image. Yeah. So if you want, you can show, you can try in Jupyter and any other PyCharm also, any other IDLE also. Yeah. So we are, with the help of this code, we are going to display successfully the God Ganesh image, and going to display the information called Happy Ganeshchathurthi. I hope that I'm giving the title as a card here like this. So this is the way how to generate or create a God Ganesh with a Happy Ganeshchathurthi wishes with the help of Python turtle. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe the video and share with your friends. Thank you.